Ever wondered why some folks tower over others while some barely reach the average height? Is it all in the genes? Welcome to the intriguing world of height mysteries, a fascinating realm where biology, genetics, and environment intertwine. The common perception is that height is a hereditary trait, a gift or a curse from your ancestors, passed down through generations. But science, ever evolving and always curious, has started to challenge this popular notion. Recent research has begun to unravel a more complex picture, suggesting that while genes do play a significant role in determining our stature, they are not the only puppeteers pulling the strings. It turns out, the story of our height is written by more than just our DNA. So if it's not all in the genes, what else affects our height? That's what we'll find out today. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this height mystery and uncover the layers of influences that shape how tall we become. Genetics do play a significant role in determining our height, but they're not the only factor. When we delve into the science of height, we encounter the term heritability. This refers to how much of the variation in a trait, in this case height, can be attributed to genetic differences as opposed to environmental influences. Recent studies have shown that about 60 to 80% of the variation in height among people is down to their genes. This means that a significant portion of your height is encoded in your DNA, passed down from your parents and ancestors. Yet it's not all about genetics. If our genes are like the blueprint, the environment is the construction site where the building, or in this case you, is made. It's the interaction of these two factors that ultimately determines how tall you'll become. But if genetics only account for 60 to 80% of our height, what accounts for the rest? Let's explore. It turns out, the food you eat and your overall health can have a significant impact on your height. Let's unpack this a bit. Nutrition and health are key players in the height game, with scientific studies showing a clear correlation between them. For instance, malnutrition during the early years of life can lead to stunted growth, resulting in shorter adult height. Illnesses, particularly during childhood, can also impede growth. On the flip side, a diet rich in essential nutrients, proteins, and vitamins during the growth period can lead to increased adult height. Think of your body as a garden. With the right care and nutrients, plants in a garden grow tall and strong. Your body is no different. Health and nutrition are not just about height, though. They're about overall well-being. A healthy, well-nourished body is more likely to reach its full potential in all aspects, including height. So, while you may not have control over your genetics, you do have control over your health and nutrition. So, is height genetic? The answer is yes and no. It's a bit like baking a cake. The ingredients or genes you have matter, but so does the way you mix them together and the environment you bake them in. Height is a complex trait, a result of the intricate dance between genetics and environmental factors. Our genes, passed down from our parents, play a significant role, dictating the maximum potential height we could reach. But it's not the whole story. Our environment, especially nutrition and health, has a substantial influence too. Proper nutrition during childhood can boost growth, while deficiency can stunt it. Similarly, a healthy lifestyle promotes optimal growth, while diseases or poor health can hinder it. It's this beautiful interplay between our genes and our environment that shapes our height. So next time you wonder why you're taller or shorter than someone else, remember, it's not just about the genes, it's also about the environment.